Hi everybody. Let me tell you about the directions for the project that we're going to do with this unit, our International Dot Day mural project. We're going to make a big mural. It's going to be up in the main hall. It's going to be 10 feet by 7 feet, and that size should sound familiar to you because Seurat's painting Sunday Afternoon on the island of La Grande Jatte is 10 feet long by 7 feet tall. So it's going to say, make your mark on the world. Those fingerprints aren't going to be there. I'll just have the continents outlined. But the dots that you decorate in the style of a pointillist artist that you choose are going to fill up the continents. So they'll just be full of all your beautifully decorated dots. So the first thing you have to do is choose your favorite pointillist artist. We did a wakelet yesterday or the day before, so you might need to go back and look at that again. You can get to it on the website. But those artists are Ace Balco, Alma Thomas, Ed Fairburn, Richard Brandow, George Seurat, Paul Signac, and Henri Edmond Cross. So go back, look at them, figure out your favorite, and look at the style of their paintings. That's what you need to focus on. What makes their paintings different from the rest of them? Because you have to complete a planning sheet. Here it is. For this project. So once you have chosen your favorite pointillist artist from the wakelet, you're going to write the name of the artist, and then you need to think and figure out 3 things that make your artist's style unique. What makes them different from the other pointillist artists that we study? So you might need to look carefully. It might take you a little while, but you can do that. So you've figured out your artist, and you know what their style is. So now it's time for you to start sketching your dot. You need to be creative. It can be any school appropriate image, but it has to be in the style of your artist. You can use color, maybe colored pencils on this if you want to, but it's not really necessary. This is not your final product. This is only your sketch, your plan. If you fill up this circle and you don't like it, you can always flip the paper over and just draw another circle and just keep trying until you get it to be about the way you like it. Then you're going to show it to me. Let me give you a little feedback, and then you're going to draw a dot on a diameter with a diameter of between 4 and 10 inches on any kind of paper. I've got watercolor paper, which is pretty thick, drawing paper, copy paper, construction paper, whatever you want. Then you can use any kind of materials in the room to decorate your dot in the style of your chosen artist. So I've got markers, crayons, colored pencils, oil pastels, 3 different kinds of paint, scissors, glue. It's completely up to you. This is going to be your creation. When you are done, you need to sign your dot on the front, down at the bottom, really little. Do it with a skinny Sharpie and cut it out. Then you're going to use a Chromebook to take a picture of your dot, and you're going to upload that picture in the Your Dot assignment on Google Classroom. After you've done that, you're going to use rubber cement and place it on one of the continents on the world map. And then, congratulations, you have made your mark, and when everybody's is up there, it's going to be absolutely wonderful. Now, the reason I need you to take a picture is because I need to see it when I'm going over your rubric, and if they're all up there on the mural, I that'll be hard for me to do. So you got to send me a picture. But speaking of the rubric, here's what I'm looking for. That you have followed directions in that you have chosen an artist from the Wakelet. You've done a dot in the style of your chosen artist, and that you completed your planning sheet. I expect you to be creative. Yes, you are doing your dot in the style of another artist, but you can still use your own ideas and imagination. Your effort. Did you take your time and work hard on the project? We're going to have at least 2 class days for you to work on this, so I expect you to put a lot of time into it. And you all know that I can tell the difference between something that took you an hour and 15 minutes and something that took you 4 minutes. And lastly, did you turn it in on time? Did you upload your pic to the assignment on Google Classroom? That's it. I'm looking forward to seeing all of your beautiful dots, and our mural is going to be a great way to celebrate International Dot Day.